Hey, this is a video about base 10. We made a different video about base 10 with positive exponents. This is a video about base 10 with negative exponents. You ready? This is our base 10. It's the big number. And then our exponent is the little number. That was just a bit of vocab. In this case, I would say 10 to the negative second. If I said this, I would say 10 to the negative fourth, 10 to the negative third, 10 to the negative 13th. You could also say the power. So you could say 10 to the negative fourth power, 10 to the negative third power, 10 to the negative 13th power. That was a bit of vocab. All right, so 10 to the positive first power means there's only one 10. 10 to the 0th power, I talked about this in the earlier movie, equals 1. It has 0 zeros. Now, something fun is about to happen. When you see that negative sign, most people think this is going to be negative 10, and that is so incredibly not true. Totally untrue. What it really is a fraction. A negative sign means it's the reciprocal. And that means that you take the number and you flip it upside down. So if 10 wholes is 10 over 1, what we are going to do is flip it 1 over 10. In other words, 1/10, also known as 0.1, 1/10. Now we're going to take 10 squared and flip it upside down. So 1 over 10 squared, 1 over 10 squared is equal to 1 over 10 times 10 is equal to 1/100th. 1/100th. In decimals, we write it this way. All right, ready for 10 to the negative third power? That is 1 over 10 cubed, 1 over 10 to the third power. So that's 1 over 10 times 10 times 10, 1 over 1, remember notice my comma, 1,000th. In decimals, we write it like this. Actually, I don't like the way I've organized this. All right, the last one I'm going to do right now is 10 to the negative fourth power. In other words, 1 over 10 to the fourth, 1 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 1 over 10, 1,000. That is 1/10,000th. In decimals, so what patterns do you see? Write in the comments.